Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hammer drills that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18. After testing this Milwaukee hammer drill driver kit, we chose it as our favorite because it is compact enough for working in confined spaces, yet powerful enough for most tasks. At 6.9 inches long, it's one of the most compact hammer drills around, and weighs under 5 pounds with a battery in place. During our testing, we were able to drive large holes through wood and concrete without hesitation, which is key for a hammer drill. You can use this hammer drill to make holes up to 1.5 inch in diameter in steel, 0.625 inch in masonry or concrete, and 1.5 inch in wood. And unlike many other hammer drills, it has a clutch to reduce torque, which means you can also use it as a driver to drive screws. Use a hammer drill without a clutch to drive a screw, and chances are good that you'll end up with a stripped screw or splintered wood. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Dewalt Max XR 20-volt cordless hammer drill. While some cordless tools are weaker than their corded counterparts, that's not an issue with this powerful cordless hammer drill from Dewalt. While we feel that this professional level tool, which carries a professional level price tag, might be overkill for the casual DIY or light use around the house, it's well worth the price if you need a beast that doesn't blink at drilling through concrete, brick, stone, wood, metal, or other hard materials. It's so powerful that it drove screws straight through our test board when we tested it in our lab. When we adjusted the speed and torque properly, it drove screws, drilled holes in wood, and drilled large holes in concrete bricks easily and effectively. At number 3, we have the Black+Decker 6.5 amp corded hammer drill. It's undeniable that hammer drills can be quite expensive. But if you don't need all the bells and whistles or the utmost power, then this reasonably priced option from Black+Decker is worth a look. It has 2 modes, drill only or hammer drill. One thing we love about this drill is the variable speed trigger with a maximum speed of 2,800 revolutions per minute. Our overall best lacks this feature, so it's great to see it on an inexpensive model like this. The maximum impact is an impressive 48,000 BPM. Adjusting the settings is a straightforward process with only a few options, making it easy to understand and modify. This doesn't have the most powerful motor, at 6.5 amps, nor is it designed for heavy-duty continuous use, but if you need a hammer drill for a few projects drilling into masonry, or you want to have a hammer drill on hand for occasional use, then this corded tool should be more than sufficient. At number 2, we have the Makita cordless 1/2 inch hammer driver drill kit. However, we did find that it had too much oomph for driving small screws, even with the clutch turned down. It easily drove and seated large screws, though, without stripping them or splitting the wood board we drove them into. If you need a multi-purpose drill that can drive smaller screws, our best cordless pick has a less aggressive driver setting. The drill is powered by an 18-volt, 5 amp hour battery, and it comes with 2, so you can have one charging while you work. However, during our testing sessions, the battery barely budged from full charge. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bosch Bulldog Xtreme SDS-Plus rotary hammer drill. When using the tool in the hammer-only mode, you can adjust the bit through 36 positions to get just the right angle for your task. Plus, its D-shaped back handle and easy grip forward handle give you excellent control when working in awkward positions. The drill has variable speed control with a maximum speed of 1,300 revolutions per minute and a maximum impact of 5,800 BPM with the hammer mode on. Like other rotary hammer drills, it has an SDS chuck that can only accept SDS or SDS-Plus bits. Should the bit become bound, the tool will automatically disengage to prevent injury to your wrist. However, it does not have any specific anti-vibration system to muffle vibrations to your hands and arms. No tool is required to swap out the bits, which you'll have to purchase separately. It comes with a sturdy carrying case.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.